lot of titty, so I can go ahead and get it. Gonna get that money 4 ways, I might split it. Right down the middle, niggas skittle like a skittle. And they ain't even tripping, Mac and Kelly double dribble. Maybe on the scene, fresh starch, you know what your jeans. Got a 24 ounce in the Sprite, that's the lean. Watch me gonna lean, maybe on the scene. Got the damn spray on the scene, it's Afreen. Maybe athlete, And I told you, ho, you better go and beat your damn feet. Cause I'ma skeet, get my phone, I'ma delete. I don't give a damn, boy, we on any beat. Yeah, you gon' record on the boulevard. Told you play me wrong, ace of spade, I pull your card. Cause I'm a king, do what y'all mean. Told you I'ma be fresh on the motherfucking scene. I'm the fresh nigga you seen. With the infrared, I keep my beam. The 40 know I got a damn beam. And it's aiming at your seam, aiming at your neck. And I don't give a damn, you better not ever disrespect. Cause you disrespect OTB, EGB, boy, that be the set. And I told you, boy, you better not disrespect. Cause I'm really at your neck like I got them Adam apple. I'll pop your bitch head, maybe like a snapper. That shit real soft, like a motherfucking egg. And I told that bitch to ride on my digits like some pigs. Maybe on the bike, I don't give a damn, shout out to the damn night. Might be headed to the hall, maybe to the damn hall. Told you I pop out like we drug, I'm a growl on my side. Maybe 350 or 7. Send your ass to hell or to heaven. I ain't even tripping, shout out to the Reverend. That's the rock mode, And we singing on the block, so we selling rocks for show. You already know just how the gang go. Shout out to the 11, shout out to the 7. I don't give a damn, but the 7, that's 11 on the goddamn dice. Really nice. He'll hit your ass with a last damn price. Hit you with the price on the motherfucking head. And if you with a price on your head, then you're dead. Know your ass gone, can't get a clone. I don't give a damn, let me go and get it on. Let me get it in, not 3 for 10. We don't give a damn, we putting that kush in the wind. Put it in the wind, might be putting it in our lung. Like the old school, I got your bitch kinda sprung. I don't give a damn, want that bitch thong on the wall. Told them coaching shit like ball. Old school on view, you know what it do. Shout out Speed in, me we really from the booth. Show you how we do it. Selling us shit to the amp on McFluid. Know this shit gone, know we getting stoned. Every time we hit the weight room, we get it on. I really crashed that bitch.